Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Uniquely Jazz. My name is Jazz Marie, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing the no mirror makeup challenge. Challenge is old, but I thought it would be fun to do, but if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you are not new, welcome back to another video. So I'm just starting off by doing my eyebrows, and I was really scared to do my eyebrows because I had no mirror, so I was just worried how it would turn out. But I think I managed to outline my eyebrows really good because I was just following the hairs of my eyebrows, and my eyebrows didn't turn out so bad. I think it's because I'm used to doing them a certain way, so I guess I remember how to do them. But when it came to using concealer to outline it, to clean it up, I didn't clean it up that much. I didn't blend it all the way, and you can tell by that. My right eyebrow, I did a pretty good job with cleaning them up without a mirror, but my left eye turned out a little messed up. I think I did a pretty good job with blending in the concealer on my eyelids without a mirror. So this was a little difficult, and your girl was struggling because you need a mirror to see what you're doing, and it was somewhat struggling. But my eyeshadow turned out not how I imagined it. It wasn't blended all the way, and the shimmer shadows didn't really show up as vibrant, so it looked a mess. I was a little scared to apply mascara because I didn't want to poke my eye out, but I did a pretty good job. So applying foundation was pretty easy. I just apply it to where I normally would. And to blend it, I was a little nervous because I didn't want to mess up my eyebrows or get it in the eyeshadow. So I was trying to be careful or whatever. For concealer, I tried to be careful under my eye, but it was pretty easy. And I put too much on my forehead. I don't usually put that much, but I guess that's what happens when you don't have a mirror. setting powder, I'm pretty sure I missed a couple spots on my face, but I tried to get it all over and I do not know what I was laughing at. I just be thinking about stuff and just be randomly laughing, but applying powder was a little tricky because like I could have missed the spot. Now for contour, I went pretty harsh on the contour, like, girlfriend. It was all over like the side of my face and I didn't even take no time blending it. I should have, but I didn't. For the lipstick, that was pretty easy, and I thought my makeup was gonna turn out terrible. Like, I was really scared to like grab a mirror and look at myself, but when I got one, I counted to like 3 and then I looked in the mirror, and the only thing that I thought looked bad was my eyebrows and lipstick, because I had like lipstick all under my bottom lip, and like my foundation and concealer and powder looked okay. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.